What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you guys are doing great out there. I'm Mark McNeely, and I'm so glad that you all are able to hang out with me here in this video today. I'm going to be covering something very, very important, something that's dear to my heart, something that I think is beneficial to you and will be of value to you. So if you're brand new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you guys can stay alert, and hit the all button so that you won't miss all videos as they come out every week. So, in this video, I'm talking to you all about the black seed oil or black cumin seed oil. Okay, very, very good. I've already taken my servings. I've drank or taken 2 tablespoons, and man, this stuff here is nasty. All right, it's bearable. Okay, I've drank and taken things that taste way, way worse. But if you're not used to taking like fatty acid type things, omega fish oils, bitter like apple cider vinegar. If you're not used to taking supplements or things like that, dietary supplements like that, then it's gonna be you're gonna struggle. All right, this has more of a spicy taste to it, but again, you only need to take this maybe twice per day, 1 teaspoon twice per day, or tablespoon twice per day, and man, you're gonna notice some amazing benefits. We're gonna cover them right now, but I just want to share with you what it tastes like and what I thought. You guys let us know in the comment section what you think and how it tastes and whether it helped you. You know, if you feel like it helped you any, let us know in the comment section. So anyway, the very first reason or benefit why I think you should have this in your home, I'll leave links below in the description box of this video where you guys can check out more information, is I think you should have it because of the cardiovascular health. Many people struggle with cardiovascular health, and cardiovascular health just basically says, hey, is the blood flowing properly and freely, all right, and smoothly to and from the heart, throughout the body, to the brain, just all throughout. And if you're struggling with that, if you have limitations, then you definitely want to be on this, okay? All right, the ingredients inside of this, it provides so much. It basically will reinforce the blood vessel walls to extract back. All right. So it kind of serves as an elastic barrier to kind of help the blood vessel walls to extract back so that blood can flow to and from the heart freely. And man, what does that feel like? I don't know if you've ever been sitting up or at home and you're relaxing and you breathe and you're like, man, my chest feels so tight, and you're trying to grasp for air, and then now you feel like, man, you need to run to actually, to just kind of separate those blood vessel walls, get that cardiovascular. That's what happens when you run. When you're running and you're working out, your blood vessels and your walls, they extract back because oxygen is now going through your system, going throughout the body, going throughout the tissue and the blood. So your oxygen is getting in there, which then will expand everything. It expands your blood vessel walls, which then will allow blood to move freely. So that's the number one thing that it does, and it's really, really beneficial. So you definitely want to get this in your home. That's number one. Number two, respiratory. If you're someone that struggle with a lot of bronchitis and things like that with the lungs and just really have a hard time, breathing, and having asthma, this is good. Black seed oil will help with decreasing the inflammation from asthma. Like a lot of people that smoke has a lot of just issues with breathing. They may not even know it. You may not know it. Maybe you're a smoker out there. You definitely want to focus in on this black seed oil because it's going to help you to really, really be able to breathe better, and it's going to help you with just reducing that inflammation. And so what you want to do, again, you want to consume it, all right, either with a teaspoon or a tablespoon, or rub it on your chest, rub it on the area that you feel like is, causing you some pain or trouble. All right. The next thing is number three, my favorite. I like what black seed oil can do for my digestive system. If you're someone that struggles with GERD, gut problems, bad breath, um, if you're constipated, if you have stomach aches, if you have, just bloatingness, all right, this black cumin seed oil, black seed oil is going to help with getting you straight. It's designed to protect digestive organs, your esophagus, all right, your stomach, your small intestines, pancreas, gallbladder, as well as the liver and the colon. You can't beat that, guys. I mean, there's so many people that die from colon cancer. We just lost Black Panther from colon cancer, and rest in peace. I just hate to see people go from, based on colon cancer. And I'm not sure what his health was like, no one knows. But, at least we can try to focus in on doing the right things to put us in the best position to have a healthy body, and to really maximize our life here on earth. All right, so again, it soothes the GI tract and it protects you from toxins that try to enter the body either through the food or through the air you breathe and things like that. All right, or the environment that we live in is full of pollution and just, man, when I'm driving on the road sometime and I get behind these cars, I'm like, man, I can't breathe. This is crazy. This pollution is wild. So this will help with definitely all of these things. And so that is my number one reason why I like black seed oil. All right. Number four, it serves as an anti-inflammatory and pain relief. All right. So many people take painkillers, right? Ibuprofen, Tylenol, aspirin, things like that. This is really good because, it's designed to really, really allow the essential amino acids that's within this to help with building up the protein inside of the body. And when you build up protein inside of the body, that can help with reducing pain. How do I know that? When I work out, I drink these protein shakes, and I noticed that when after I finish a hard workout, or even before, if I drink that protein shake, it starts to rebuild and repair and restore my muscles and my tissues. And I'm not in pain, I'm not in pain at all. It's really, really amazing, what amino acids can do, all right, to help with building the body. And so you definitely just want to have some of this around if you struggle with pain. You can actually put it on the area that's causing joint pain or arm pain, and you'll be good to go. So that's the number fourth reason why I think you should have it in your home. Okay. So just know, guys, you gotta really master this. You gotta really just stay consistent. If you just take a teaspoon or a tablespoon every day, don't even think about it. Just take it a day, every day, and before you know it, you've been taking it for months. And man, you're gonna notice. It doesn't take months. There's been many results, positive results in less than a month. All right, some in days, some in weeks, but just stay consistent, stay the course. All right, the number five reason why I think this is a beneficial thing to have is it protects the skin and also the hair. I know this is a big one for women. Women want healthy. We all want healthy skin, nice skin, and healthy hair, right? And so especially women, especially the ladies. So, what this does is it serves as a daily moisturizer. So you can actually put this on your face. Okay. It protects the skin cells and it can help support skin tone. If you want to tone out your skin or even it out, it helps with that. Also, as far as the hair, you can actually, put a little bit in the hair or in the area where you want it to grow. It has vitamin E and vitamin B. All right. And also, what this does is it's going to help with influencing hair growth, follicle cells, which is going to strengthen your hair. And you can do this for about 30 to 60 minutes per day. All right. And you should start noticing a difference. There's been a lot of great results about putting, you know, um, black seed oil inside of the hair. So, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't want to leave you on here too long, but I just wanted to give you some benefits of black seed oil. With that being said, guys, let me know if you're going to use it, if you're going to try some black seed oil. There'll be links below in the description box where you can get more information. And with that being said, guys, I'm Mark McNeely signing out. I'll see you guys next time. God bless.